Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you know how I said I was not ready for fall? Well, the cold air has come in now, and so I've had to break out some fall stuff. I have been doing a little shopping lately, so that's kind of making me a little bit ready for fall. But I always have this dress right here. I'm gonna show it to you. This is like a little like color block dress that I got from this boutique that I have no idea where. I've had it for like 100 years, and I just throw this on with like some boots, and that's kind of like, I really don't have that great of a fashion sense, I can't lie to you, and so I just throw on like a little dress and boots, and that's kind of how I dress, like, you know, if I'm gonna go out or something. And so I put this on, and I wanted a kind of monochromatic look to kind of go with this, and so I broke out the old Kylie Bronze palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's got oranges and reds and just a pretty palette for fall. And so I used like this shadow, this one, and this one, and that was it. And this is what I created. So if you want to see this eye makeup look, then just go ahead and keep watching.
Okay, I'm starting off with the second row, third shade over. This is just like a medium brown, and I'm taking that on the Kylie large shader brush and just packing that around the outer third of my eye. The piece of tape helps so much because you can really start getting too heavy-handed on the outside of your eye, and it starts getting that circle, dark look. You know what I'm saying? You know, we've all been there. Like, I do it all the time, like when I try not to use tape, and it just doesn't work out. So I just basically keep going over that until it's to the color that I want it to be. And then I'm going in with the ZOEVA 221 soft crease brush and taking that orange shade in the middle and putting that right over the first shade. I just put that first shade down as a base, and I want to give it like a orangey look, almost kind of. I'm wearing that mustard colored dress, and so I kind of mix the two colors to kind of give off a orangey mustardy color. So I just keep that. I bring it a little bit further in than I did the first shade, but overall just keeping it closer to the outside of the eye. And so I just keep going over it until it's done. And then I'm going in on the ZOEVA 231 Petite Crease brush, and I'm using the brown shade. It's on the third row, the second shade, and I'm packing that in, and then just like keep going over it until it's built up. This is one of those colors that you have to keep going over and over to get it where you want it. And I'm kind of almost like doing it, winging it out a little bit. You see how I'm kind of taking it like down the tape closer to my brow? I'm bringing it out some and then just kind of working it back down to the outer third of the eye. I have that little dip right there in my eye, so I have to keep packing it because I will like miss color there, so that's aggravating. But anyway, now I'm going in with that white shade on top. I love this shade. It performs so well. And I'm just putting that all in the inner part of my eye, just everywhere. And I'm using a MAC 239 flat shader brush for that. Alright, now I'm creating another wing. As you can tell, my last wing, if you watched my last video, was like, Well, I did a little better with this one because I used the tape, and so I went ahead and created it, and then I took the tape off and just kind of fixed a couple places. It's still not great, but my eye is so like soft and the skin is like so floppy. I cannot do a wing. It just sticks to it. Alright, now I'm going in with that dark brown shade again, and this is the Morphe M326 brush. It's just a small brush, and I'm just like going over that and just trying to, I don't want it to be too thick down there. It just, to me, that is just drags my eye down, and I like my eyes look big and kind of wide open. And so now I'm taking that orange shade on the Sigma E36 blending brush, and I'm just going right straight underneath it and just kind of blending that in. Now I'm going in with the MAC pencil. It's like NW20, I think. It's like any flesh colored pencil you can, and just do that on your lower waterline. And then I'm always going in with the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I just like it so much. It fits my eye perfectly. It doesn't transfer. It's just my favorite mascara. And then hubby comes over to tell me bye. So cute. Okay, now I'm going back to do my lower lash line mascara. I check everything to make sure things are as even as possible. Nothing's ever perfect, and we're done.
Alright guys, so this is my final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.